southwestern Chatham County until 11:15 p.m. At 10:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Pittsboro, moving southwest at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sanford, Pittsboro, Goldston, Cumnock, Harper's Crossroads, and Jordan Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm moving southwest at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sanford, Pittsboro, Goldston, Cumnock, Harper's Crossroads, and Jordan Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:15 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, Chatham, and Lee.